Government inspects tobacco and cigarettes factory known as Karnak, South Sudan in Yei River County, Central Equatoria State on Thursday. According to the Commissioner General of the South Sudan Revenue Authority, Karnak is one of the government's large tax payers.
We are here basically to look at some of the challenges that are there, some of the opportunities, so that together as different institutions at the different levels of the country, at the level of the state, at the level of the local government, which is county, we will be able to come up with some resolutions that will help bring all the synergies together. And we believe, for us in the South Sudan Revenue Authority, we believe that Yei will be able to produce revenue that will make an impact.
Government encourages businessmen and women to look for investment opportunities in Yei. The Minister of Trade and Industry says the government will come with a mechanism to be able to protect domestic production to minimize importation of products that can actually be produced within the country.
When we encourage private sector, especially investors, to come and invest here, we will be able to export our own product to other countries, to the region and to the international countries. So this is one of the things that we have come as a team to witness exactly these people producing something, then to see also the environment. The environment, is it conducive? And we have proved that the environment is conducive.
The chairperson of the South Sudan Bureau of Standard confirmed that Karnak is producing their cigarettes in accordance to international standard.
The production facility is also meeting good hygiene manufacturing practices. Three, we always take samples for analysis in according to the East Africa standard, and when we approve, that is the time now, we allow the company to dispatch them for final consumption by the people in the market.
Despite the challenges, the manager of the factory reiterated his commitment to fulfill his obligation of paying taxes to the government.
I can say harmonization of the law related to the taxes from local authority now, from factory to the other end. You found there's a lot of roadblocks, a lot of law implementers where they impose, you pay so that you can reach. Otherwise, we are okay, we are trying our best.
Pertaining to the overlap of taxes that at times affect the business people, that they need to be streamlined, this is what the State Minister of Trade and Industry has to say.
We have gone from the investor, the challenges that he has been going through, of the laws, the same laws that we have, and that segregates, maybe creates for him a lot of confusion. And the minister has promised that this will have to be harmonized.
We have access to land. We are looking for investors who can do bigger investment in market malls, in industrial development, in farming, agricultural farming. These opportunities are there. There's land that the people of our community are willing to share the use of land for purposes of building and developing this country.
Yei River County has a lot of potentials based on its geostrategic location. It borders Congo and Uganda. For SSBC News, I'm Emmanuel Patrick, Yei, South Sudan.